everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, today's topic na about one man. Oh, the man na chorister. The man they sing all those gospel music, and the man they read like they sing, but people come dey talk say this man na man like can I dey like, but he can't say no, they do that kind thing. No, he can't say na woman na him dey follow, they always they talk and people they believe am. So he say na woman like na him dey follow, say na lie. Oh, they do all those kind things, so people they put lie for e head. Oh, so he can't talk am, so people can't really believe am, you understand? So people can't believe am, say na wetin they read they do na be that one. So one day, say when somebody does too lie, when you don't too lie for this world, you go know say people they watch you, people they look you. Not fit say you they lie, say God no they see you. You feel they hide am for human being like you. You feel they hide am for other people, but God you feel hide am for God. No, you no go feel hide am for God forever. You understand? You get that music where say you cannot hide it for God. You cannot hide it for God. You may cover your sin and nobody may know. You cannot hide it for God. Una know that music now where say you cannot hide it for God. You know if you hide that for God forever. You understand? When somebody they lie, you feel say you they deceive person, but you are deceiving yourself. You understand? You know what you they do say no good, but you see they lie. Okay, you know why the thing they surprise me? You yourself know say this thing that make you the shame to want talk and say that you they do. Because if you know the shame, what will make you not talk say this thing you they do am, or you really use that in action, even though say the whole world here and that one not concern anybody. But when I go they hide them to show say the thing not really good. Because if you good, what will make you they hide what you they do? Because you yourself know say the thing not good, that make you they hide them. You understand me, my people? So this man, in the like man like am, but they ask am, be say na lie, say nothing like that. But God, this our God, so when we be say we dey serve, so you no fit hide, you no fit deceive am. One day he must expose you, and if he want expose you, go be where people they will be say you no go fit, like you no go fit deny am. You no go fit deny am. Na this man won't be. After the man don't lie, say he not be the lie man like am, na lie, this that, I'm being one day now monkey can't go market, can't come back. A day live video they preach the gospel, but na all those gospel music now they always they sing, as they do am na the man, like the man wey be a boyfriend just from back come kiss am. As he just na camera dey. Before he say no, na camera dey already. People now they don't screenshot am fast. They are ogbonge screenshot them. They don't screenshot am fast. Before you know what they happen, social media don't carry am. The whole world don't carry am. That kind of thing now. You trust our people now. They don't they waste time for all those kind of things. I come they say you can't know say this thing, the thing you not dey proud of, and like you not really dey happy for this thing. What you can make you dey do am? What it make you dey do am where say you don't like the thing? I don't understand people really. What it make you dey do am where say the thing, like you dey shame to want people say that you be? Then why are you doing it? Why are you doing it? I don't be the part where me I not dey understand for people. That one I be the part. This thing not good you dey do am. Who are you deceiving? You are deceiving yourself. And yourself you dey deceive, my dear. You know the deceive person though. You dey deceive yourself. So that is why we have to stop all those things what we dey do. We have to stop it. It's not good. Just see the way God expose this guy now. See the way God that's what God go dey expose many people wey be say they pretend, many liar them. Wey be say they betray people, they lie. That's what God go dey expose all of them one by one. You understand me? Just see the way God expose this guy. After you don't lie finish, well, rise, now you be. But you were lying, you were deceiving people. He give one certain time when one voice record come out one certain time. This woman they sing gospel song. So when they play, when she can't do something, they can't play her voice record. They can't even play where she for the go native daughter, where she for the 10 native daughter, see what native daughter go do for Ram, see what the native daughter go do. People can't say, eh, so not be this woman where they always use God, they sing. Now don't want to surprise me for people where be say that they do all those things, because at the day surprise that they do native daughter, they're not they proud of Am. Then if they sing, they'll use our God. Then why are you using our God when you know say your native daughter they help you? Because according to the woman that time, you say not get the time when they talk say she not pastor. You know get one time which they talk say she not pastor. So now native daughter now you the juju now you they serve. Then why you know they use juju they sing say juju go help you, juju go do this, but our God now you see they call. So why are we deceiving ourselves really? Why are we deceiving ourselves? Why would they talk what it will not be? We'll say now it will be. Why? Why would they do them? We're not supposed to do all those things. You understand? So sometimes I they wonder what you be, you they lie, you say not being you say you know they do them, whereas now you be. You understand? Just see the way God now take expose this guy now. For live video, you just the live video for Instagram. Where the boy your phone back on kiss him. How you take deny now? How you reason yourself now? How you fit take deny around and say not being you be? You don't fit deny am again. So I just want to use this video to advise our brothers, our sisters, you know. If you they do something, you know say the thing good for you. Just do and come out. So that make this kind of public disgrace not go enter your body. Just do and come out say now you be oh. Maybe people know say that you really be. Any bad thing no day now. But not be the one where be say you they do am, you can't they lie, say not be, you know, they no. That one no good. You understand? They fair ask this guy, lie to himself. But God don't expose him now. So may that let people you where they watch now. What do you think about this video? What do you think? It's not good. Maybe people they read the talk who they be or who they know, who they be. It's good. Maybe they read the talk. So anything you think, you can leave your comments for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and bye.
What you're giving, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk